Welcome to Drop LI. So today we're talking about this particular airdrop called the KITE AI airdrop. So in this video, I'll be showing you all you need to do and know as regards to this particular airdrop. So ensure you watch this video to the very end. So if today is your first time joining us or you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please you do it to support this new channel by subscribing to it. You can as well like and share our video as well too. And also remember to join our community. So for a quick introduction for this particular airdrop, so this KITE AI airdrop, we are in the V2 aspect of this particular airdrop. So now this one has been confirmed and then is an avalanche chain. So last 2 months we did a video for the V1 aspects of this particular airdrop. So today we are in the phase 2 aspect of this airdrop. So in this video I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do this thing so you don't miss out on anything. So okay, so the links I'll be moving here is going to be down there in the description. Just go over there, click on it, and then you come along with me. Okay, so and then ensure you watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on anything. Okay, so let's jump into this thing right now. So now once you come over to this place, this main dashboard. Okay, so here we are to log in using our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so just click on here, login, and then you have to scroll down and then click on MetaMask. So I'll just go ahead and then complete the signing in process. Click on continue. Alright, I'm almost done with this. So now we are done with the signing in. So now once you do this, allow this to load. Alright, so now come over here, click on continue, and click on continue. So here we have to take this quiz, so you just watch as I answer these questions. Okay, all right. Number 2 is avalanche. And this is the last one. Alright, we're done with the quiz. So now once you come over here, this is the main dashboard, and then once you're done with the quiz, point is also given to you. So now first we have to do here is to come over here, click on this place, and then here we are to connect our X account and Discord account. So I'll just first of all connect my X account. Alright, connecting to your account. So once I'm done with this, I also connect my Discord account. So now once you do the both connections, points are going to be given to you. You have 50, both 50-50 for point that will be given to you after you're done with the connection, right? So I'll just go ahead and connect my Discord as well too. So alright, almost done with this. So now we are done with the connection, and the next thing we can also do here is to come over here and copy our referral code and then share with your friends. Okay, the more you share, the more you earn more points. All right, so that's what you can do. So the next is to do to come over to this particular site, click on this XP points. Okay, so now next here is to claim the test token for this airdrop. So click on this claim, and then you allow it to load. So complete this and then request for the test token. So for this one, out doing this one every single day, you have to come back here and then claim this test token. All right, so I'll now request for it. So now I'm done with the claiming. So now as you can see, each claiming, we have access to claim 0.01 for each claiming. Okay, so now that's what you can do here. So next we have to do now is to come over to here, click on this stake. So here we are to stake part of this test token, right? So click on the first one, and then the minimum amount you can stake here is just one KITE token, right? But for now we don't have enough KITE token, right? So that means we have to keep claiming until we have enough KITE token for us to able to stake, right? So you can also come back here, and then as we don't have enough test token, so you can also come back here and then claim this test token. Okay, so that's what you have to do here. So keep claiming the test token until you have enough, then come back here and claim. So next you have to click on this badge. So here we have to claim one of these badges here. Okay, so they have 3 badges here, but for now we just have only access to one. The first one was for the early users, so we missed that one, so we just can only claim this one. Okay, but for now we just unlimited, so you can just come out here and then claim as much as you can. Okay, but let's just claim this particular badge right now. So for the early users, they had access to claim more than 1 badge. Okay, so but we can still come back here and then check out for more other badges. Okay, so that's what you can do here, right? So we mixed these ones. Okay, so click on next, click on quiz. So now on this quiz here, we have access to answer these questions once a day. Okay, that's the way we can also accumulate points here in this particular testnet. So I'll just go ahead and click on the answer. Okay, I failed this one, so I still have by tomorrow I'll still come back here and then answer more. Okay, so that's what you have to do here. So as you can see, we are done with these ones here. So the last one we can do here is to interact with this AI. Okay, so just like we did in the first phase, we had chance to interact with these similar AIs. Okay, so just come over here, click on it. Here you have to ask questions to this AI. So you interact by asking questions. So as you can see here, there is similar questions that you can ask. So you can just click on this one to ask the AI question, and then it will respond by giving you answers to your questions. Okay, so just like as I advised in the first phase, that you can head over to ChatGPT and ask more similar questions. Okay, that was what I did in the first phase. I was able to get similar questions from ChatGPT and then bombarded it with much questions, and then so that's what you can do. So just ensure we have 3 sections here, so that means you have to interact with the first one, the second, and then the third one as well too. So just head over to ChatGPT, collect similar questions, and come over here and then ask. Okay, you can just ask at least 30 per each section, right? So that you can, so by doing so you can be able to accumulate more points. All right, so that's what you have to do in this particular section. Okay, so ask as much question as possible. Okay, so by doing that you accumulate more points. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and ask the ones that I'm seeing here. So that's what you to do here, right? So head over to this place, 2k. You can see the point that you accumulated so far. This is one the point we had from the first phase. Okay, for those that participated in the first phase, you can be able to see your points here. Okay, so now I'm back here. Now one of the ones we are going to be doing daily is that first of all, you have to come over here and then take this quiz. Okay, so it's available for you to answer every day, one quiz. Okay, and then second one is to come over here, claim the Faucet token, and then remember to stake. If you have enough token, stake your token, right? And then the last one is to ensure you interact with these AIs. Okay, so each one asks question, just like I said, go to ChatGPT, collect similar questions, and then ask it. Okay, so that's what you can do here, right? So by doing these things, you are positioning yourself for this particular airdrop. Okay, and then more points will be awarded to you. Now remember to come back here also to connect they used to drop daily tax here as well too. So come over here and do that one as well too. All right, so that's all for this particular video. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask there in the comment section, and I will ensure I answer all your questions. So please, if you are here to support this channel by subscribing to it, please do it to subscribe to our channel today, and then turn on your notification bell, like and share our video. Okay, so I'll be seeing you in the next video. So thank you so much for joining us today. Bye for now.